Imagine reaching thousands of potential customers with just one post. Instagram contests can turn that dream into reality. Build brand visibility and engagement effortlessly. Contests can skyrocket your likes, comments, and shares. They encourage fans to share and engage, making your brand memorable. With engaging contests, you can tap into new audiences. Each participant can act as a mini ambassador, spreading the word about your brand. Most importantly, contests create excitement and foster loyalty. When participants feel valued, they'll keep coming back. Establish clear goals and rules for your contest. Define objectives like increased followers or engagement. Craft precise rules that everyone can understand. Encourage user-generated content, UGC, to showcase your brand naturally. Help your participants bring your brand to life. Ensure integrity by preventing cheating. Use third-party apps for fraud detection and fair winner selection. Monitor entries to maintain a seamless experience. Brands like Calvin Klein and Starbucks went viral with engaging contests. They created community excitement and boosted visibility through authentic engagement. Instagram contests are your gateway to going viral. Create engaging contests that resonate with your audience. Take action today and start crafting your next Instagram contest.